Hey guys, it's R.V.C here and I'm back again with another video. I have done videos before of the Amazfit GTR with other watches. You can check them out. But anyway, today let's see what the Amazfit GTR has to offer. The GTR design is like a traditional watch with a circular design and side buttons. It is so slim and light, weighing around 50 grams. The build quality overall is awesome. With aluminum alloy case, expect this watch to last forever. It also has the leather and rubber watch straps, which gives it a sleek look while maintaining durability. When it comes to specifications, it is rated at 580 m. You can swim with it, which I haven't tried that yet. It has a 1.39-inch AMOLED display. The display produces punchy colors and sharp text. It's unfortunate that there's no always-on display, but maybe future updates can bring that option. With the AMOLED display, the battery life is also amazing. Expect around 3 weeks of use before looking for a charger. The 40 MB of ROM allows only 3 watch faces to be stored on the watch, but you can always download more in the app if need be. It takes like 20 seconds to sync to the watch. The UI is simple and easy to navigate, just swipes and touches. The main menu has 3 panels: the watch face, activity status, and the heart rate. To access more features, just swipe from the bottom and there's a ton of menus to select from. The top button is the home function. Whatever menu you are in, it takes you to the home screen. The good thing is that the bottom button can be assigned to other functions. Since the GTR is a fitness watch, then it does that part really well. It can accurately count steps and also calories burned. It is also equipped with a heart rate sensor to measure your heart rate. I found the GPS to be accurate, though not as accurate as the Huawei Watch GT. I like the idea of having a single app to operate different devices. It reduces redundancy. Having a single app allows one device to be connected at a time, so you cannot connect 2 or more devices at the same time. The Amazfit also offers a lot of settings to the watch and a lot of features can be enabled or disabled from the app. Anyway, the Amazfit GTR is a solid device with awesome build quality, great battery life, amazing fitness tracking capabilities, and can also be used with iOS or Android. I will recommend it to anyone. Well, for now that's basically it. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please drop it in the comment box below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Share this video, and I guess I'll have to see you in the next one. Bye.